Today we are back with some brand new improved Neewer studio lights, being the Neewer RGB LED 660s. Now these are app controlled studio lights that retail around £300. That's around 370 in US dollars. Within the package, or should I say, within this very durable, supplied mobile carry case, within it you should expect to receive 2 aluminium alloy 6'6" light stands. That can indeed be reduced in height to a minimum height of 3 foot. Now these light stands are swift and easy to set up. They can be adjusted to your desired shooting height that also feel very durable too. Now taking them out, we have those 2 RGB LED light panels. Both can be affixed to their very own supplied U-bracket mounts that when put together they can sit either horizontal or vertically for much better manoeuvrability. To power these lights, we do have 2 average length AC adapters. You can indeed also power these lights by using 2 NP-F970 lithium ion batteries, which unfortunately are not supplied with this package today, but can indeed be bought off the Neewer website for mobile use. Now you will obviously need help in setting up these lights, and to help with this we are provided with a full setup guide, which include instructions on how to use the remote app that can indeed be downloaded off the Google Play Store. Looking closely at the lights themselves, each one of the panels have 320 RGB and 170 cool white LED light beads. There are some diffuser panels, by the way, which are easily attached and secured, just like so. And yes, we do have 4 leaf barn doors to help direct the light source. Now, if we quickly take a look to the rear of the panel, you'll notice we've got physical controls too. For example, we've got an on-off battery mode switch, a mode channel selection button, which will enable you to switch between HSI, which is hue saturation intensity mode, a colour temperature range mode, and scene modes too, which will allow you to be able to select a desired scene, and not only that, using those dials, set the speed of that scene, as well as other various controls too, including brightness levels, etc. Which you may have noticed all of the settings are displayed on this little LCD display, as well as a power indication sitting just below it. Now I have personally been using these Neewer 660 studio lights for over a few weeks now. I have indeed been doing a fair few reviews using them, and taking a few Insta shots on the side too. I must say though, these RGB 660s are by far my favourite lights I've actually worked with since starting up this channel a few years ago. They not only have fantastic colour saturation, with colour temperatures ranging between 3200K and 5600K, which are perfect for different scenarios, with great versatility for creative lighting ideas. When recording with a simple smartphone, recording was flicker free. For photography, again for those spot on Insta shots, you can set these lights up to provide a sharp, very bold image with many creative lighting options to choose from. And for basic overhead reviews or unboxings, the white and soft white colours do supply a good amount of brightness to help keep those videos looking very rich, very professional. Again, with many scene modes to choose from, giving you artistic fueled images, which is also great by the way at providing you with the correct scene for those important TikTok videos, yes. So for example, if you can imagine shooting a scene where you're getting chased by the police, lights are perfect just for the job. So you can have such scenes like being at a party, being in a very romantic scene,
I love you with all of my heart.
being in a haunted environment, spooky, or simply getting snapped by the paparazzi.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I am famous.
Not. The scene modes are perfect for these scenarios. What's also great is the Bluetooth app integration, which really does allow you to control both of the lights from afar, allowing you to get your lighting exactly the way you want it to be. We do think that these lights are a superb set of studio lights, which we do think will be great for mobile on-the-road lighting, which will aid you in any type of particular shooting mood. I personally think that these 660s are not only very easy to use, but we actually had a lot of fun playing around with all the lighting options. All the colours are nice and vivid, very well saturated, and absolutely perfect for our own needs. And I do think that these lights are an added gain when we add a few extra Neewer lights in the process, like we've done just here to our small little recording box studio. Yes, I certainly can recommend these lights today. There's nothing much I can grumble about really. Okay, I would say that the power cord maybe could be a bit longer. But apart from that, we are going to give these Neewer 660s a full 10 out of 10 today. Now we have gone ahead and we've left a handy little link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, so please go ahead and check that out for yourself. But if you've liked what you've seen within this video today, well, why not go ahead and go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today. But most importantly, please help support this channel by subscribing just now. Making sure though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. It's been fantastic reviewing these lights for the past couple of weeks, and we've got some more fascinating tech reviews coming up in the next few days, so stay tuned to this channel. But as usual, guys, I hope you all stay safe, but thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!